the Hurricane Tour because I am able to play against highly skilled players on really good courses, and the staff is amazing.
Overall weekend, it was really a great experience. I had a great time coming out here, having some warm weather to play in. It was a great time.
It was my second tournament in Hurricane, and I love to play golf. I love to win the tournament.
I came in today 2 strokes down. I still managed to pull through, and it just feels really great.
I prepared for this weekend by practicing a lot and doing many drills and chipping drills, putting drills, everything to make sure that I was ready.
I've been practicing a lot lately. I'm really working on my long game and my approach shots, and I think it really helped.